Good morning, guys. Happy Easter, or Easter Sunday morning. I'm going to get this leg of lamb on the barbecue today. So it's about a 2.2 kilo leg. We're going to hopefully slow cook this in the Kettle BBQ for about 5 hours, 4 hours, something like that. So yeah, very simple things. We're just going to be using rosemary and garlic, which I'm going to put inside here like this, and then I'll show you what that's going to look like in the end, or I'll show you like whilst I do it basically. But yeah, let's get that done and then we'll start the fire and then get this on so they can start cooking. Alright, let's start with some garlic. Get that crushed up.
Garlic.
And now we've got the garlic all chopped. Just get some of them sliced up so they can go easily into the lamb leg. That should be enough. Alright, let's get this lamb taken out of this plastic and then we'll go get that sorted. Alright, let's start making incisions here to get the garlic in. This is like fully organic lamb that I get from my butcher. It's a bit more expensive, but it's worth it. That's looking good. Let's get our rosemaries in here. Rosemary and lamb go together so well. I think that will do the job on that one nicely. I'm just going to put a bird of olive oil on this, not much. Get some salt on here. This time around I'm using sea salt. Some herbs, the Provence. And then some pepper. And that's basically it for now. We'll get this on the barbecue and start getting this in there so it can cook up. So I'll show you guys later what that looks like when we get that start going. So 9 o'clock in the morning. Let's do this. I'm gonna stack it on both sides instead of doing it indirect heat. I'm gonna go from both sides because it's quite a big leg of lamb. And then this should be enough of charcoal, and then we'll get the lamb on there in the middle like that. And then yeah. Alright, so that's on there now. So we're just gonna close this now and wait for about 4 hours or so, and then we'll see. Now let's get some potatoes in here. Yeah, and we are done. Alright, let's get this in there, get it carved up, and then we're ready to eat. Oh yeah. So I did let this go for 5 hours today. Let's just get this carved up and then start serving this. Yeah, it's looking really good. Really happy with the results. So yeah, please guys, subscribe, and hopefully you liked the video. And yeah, we'll do some more for you coming forward. But yeah, remember, take it easy.